Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to start calisthenics. This is only a 5 exercise workout, so it's very easy and simple to learn. It trains your whole body, so it's a full body workout but only 5 exercises. The first exercise is push-ups. This exercise mainly targets your chest. If you can't do a push-up, just simply do the simpler version of it. Knee push-ups or incline push-ups. The second exercise is pull-ups. Pull-ups mainly targets your back. If you can't do a pull-up, just do the easier variation of it, which is Australian pull-ups. The third exercise is dips. Dips mainly target your arms, your triceps, shoulder and your biceps. If you cannot perform a dip, you can try the simpler variation, which is lowered dip. The fourth exercise is leg raise. Leg raise targets your core, which is your abdominals. If leg raise is too hard for you, you can try the easier version of it. That is knee raise or lying leg raise. Last but not least, the final exercise is pistol squats. This exercise targets your leg. Don't skip your legs, it's important. If you can't do this exercise, try with assisted pistol squat. Or squat. So that's all. Hope you guys having a great start for 2019, and I hope that I helped you on your way to getting stronger and better at calisthenics. Thank you all for watching. Please like this video if you like it, and subscribe if you're new.